So guys, we're in Radisson's Waterfront in Stockholm, Sweden, and we are about to check in. So I'm going to be doing a hotel review. We've just checked into my favorite hotel. Look, you can see a lot from this glass here. It's so beautiful, right? Our suitcases. If you're new to our channel, my name is Sasha. If you're a regular watcher, thank you so much for stopping by again. My sugar daddy. That's Radisson's. I don't want to fall down. Oops, have to be careful. That's where we're staying. Finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It really does make a huge difference to the channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.